Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Our channel is all about teaching you how to do things to save money. So if you're interested in saving money, subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to do a tool review about this Honeywell LED Multi-Function 1000 ml work light. The ML is abbreviation for lumens. It puts out 1000 lumens of light. It has 3 different settings. It has 1000 lumens output or 500 lumens of output, and it also has a strobe function. It also is Bluetooth enabled for the speaker that's built into it. And today we're going to open this thing up. We're going to try it out and see how it works. Alright, to get this thing open, we were able to split the cardboard. There's 2 pieces of cardboard. We were able to split that, lift this off, and here's our light. We have a cable, and we have instructions. The instructions come in multiple languages, just like most everything you get these days. This is your USB cable for charging the light, and this is the light. It seems pretty well made. It's got a little handle here that you can use to carry it. It also clicks into multiple locations for aiming the light. It'll set up straight, lean back a little bit more, a little bit more. There's really a lot of different settings there for that little handle for aiming the light for wherever you want it. I guess you could also hang it from somewhere if you wanted to. The cable for charging, back here on the back, there's a little rubber plug right there. I would assume that rubber plug helps it to be waterproof. I don't know that for a fact, but it certainly would keep dust and stuff out. But you plug your USB cable in there, you plug the other end to a USB jack on your PC or whatever you've got, and that's how you charge the battery in this thing. Now it does come partially charged, so we can already show you how it works even though we haven't actually plugged it in. But there's only 2 buttons on this thing, so it's pretty easy to operate. When you mash the bottom button, which is power, it will power on. And it's hard to see, but in between the 2 buttons, if you kind of use your imagination, there's a little blue light in there that indicates the power is on. If you're not really looking for it, you won't see it. Power
off.
There we go, power off. It was already, I already had it on. I'm gonna hold this up to my microphone so maybe you can hear what it says when it powers on. So here we go. Well, didn't hold it long enough.
Power on.
Okay, hope you heard that. It says power on. So that's what it says. And then the top button is for your light. If you press it one time, and I'm not going to point this at the camera because it's pretty bright. If you press it one time, you got your 1000 lumens of light output. And the light is also at 5000 K, which is, K is the Kelvin that shows the color of the light. And 1000 or 5000 K is relatively close to what sunlight would give you. So it's a good color of light, for working on things. If you mash the power button again, it dims down to 500 K. And if you press it one more time, it goes into strobe mode, like that. You press it one more time and it turns the light off. It's still turned on, but the light is off. If you press the power button again, it turns off. Like I said, it also has a speaker built into it, obviously, and it's Bluetooth enabled. Now, we were playing with this a few minutes ago, and we got the Bluetooth enabled. When you turn the power on, it enables Bluetooth. And on your device, you have to select what you're going to play and send to it. You have to connect to it, and when you connect, you can play your music through the speaker on this device. And my sweetie camera operator is trying to make that work.
Is it turned on?
Yes. Yep. There we go. Now that's playing from my phone that my camera operator, my sweetie, is holding. And that's playing through the speaker on the device. The volume is controlled by your device, my cell phone in this case.
Golden as I open my eyes, hold it, focus, hoping
So there we go.
take me back to the
Cut that off now.
I know you.
There we go. So it does work. We found it very easy to connect through the Bluetooth to this device. And, you know, like I said, it comes with a charging cable. It comes with a 5-year warranty. And I think that's about all. The light, when you turn it on at 1,000 lumens, which is the brightest setting, if the battery's fully charged, it should last for an hour. The second setting, which is 500 lumens, it should last for 2 hours. If you're in strobe mode, it should last for 2 hours as a strobe. And like I said, that is if you start with a fully charged battery. So that's about it for this little light. We bought this because we thought it'd be handy to have in the car, you know, for night things. We may also use it for when we're doing some of our videos, because sometimes we get in areas where we don't have enough light, and we've got some lights, but sometimes they're not quite enough. It's always nice to have a little extra light when you're working on things, even if it's just doing a video. So anyway, this little Honeywell LED Multi-Function light, we do like it, we do recommend it. We paid right around $20 for this thing, and depending on where you get it, it may cost you a few dollars more, a few dollars less, but I think we were right at $20 for this one. So we do recommend this if you need a small portable light that puts out a lot of light. And if you find this video helpful, please click like and share it with your friends. And we'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to our channel, because that helps us grow, but it also helps you find more of our videos that help save you money. So anyway, I'd just like to say thank you for visiting. Do it yourself with Wayne, and we hope you have a great day.